equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, gather your tools, a screwdriver, a clean cloth, and a replacement motor. First, unplug the vacuum. This ensures safety while you work. Next, flip the vacuum over to access the side brushes. Inspect the area for any debris or dust. A clean surface is essential for a smooth repair. Now, remove the screws holding the side brush covers in place. Keep these screws safe. You'll need them later. Once the covers are off, gently pull out the old motors. Take a moment to check for any visible damage or wear. This is a good time for a professional diagnosis without obligation if you notice anything unusual. Insert the new motors into the slots, ensuring they fit snugly. Replace the covers and secure them with the screws. Don't forget to clean the internal components while you're at it. A clean vacuum performs better. Finally, plug the vacuum back in and test the new motors. If you need assistance, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, and you'll receive a quote before repair. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.